If Discord is showing error 2007, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can get Discord working again fast. This error is often caused by graphics conflicts, network settings, or corrupted cache files, and the good news is that you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is disable hardware acceleration in Discord. This is one of the most common fixes because graphics card conflicts can sometimes cause rendering errors inside the app. To do that, open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down to the app settings section and click advanced. Here, look for hardware acceleration and turn it off. Discord may ask you to restart after changing this setting, so go ahead and confirm the restart. After Discord reopens, check to see if the error is gone. If it still appears, don't worry, we've got more fixes to try. Next, let's check your network settings and disable IPv6. This step can help if the error is being triggered by a connection issue or a conflict with your current network configuration. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open your network connections window. Now right-click your active internet connection, whether that's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. In the list of items, find Internet Protocol version 6, also known as TCP/IPv6, and uncheck it. Then click OK to save the change. After that, restart your computer so the new setting fully takes effect. Once your PC is back on, open Discord again and see if error 2007 is still showing. For many users, this alone can make a big difference. If you're still getting the issue, the next step is to clear Discord's cache. Cached files can sometimes become corrupted and cause all kinds of unexpected problems, including launch errors and stream rendering issues. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. Don't just close the window, check your system tray and confirm it isn't still running in the background. Then press Windows key plus R again, type %appdata/discord and hit Enter. This will open Discord's local data folder. Inside this folder, delete all the files you see. If you want to keep your preferences, you can leave the settings file alone, but if you want a full clean reset, you can delete everything in the folder. After clearing those files, reopen Discord and let it rebuild the cache from scratch. This often fixes stubborn issues that survive normal restarts. So to quickly recap, the 3 fixes for Discord error 2007 are turn off hardware acceleration, disable IPv6 in your network properties, and clear the Discord cache. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get you back to using Discord normally. If the video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides, Windows fixes, and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.